Hey there, smartwatch enthusiasts. Today, I'm excited to present to you the latest and greatest in smartwatch technology, the Smartwatch for Men-Women gift for Xiaomi full touchscreen sport fitness watches BT Call digital smartwatch. This revolutionary device is redefining what it means to be sporty and classy, and I can't wait to tell you all about its amazing features. First of all, let me start by saying that this smartwatch is not just for men or women, it's for anyone who is looking to take their fitness and health to the next level. With a large 1.43 AMOLED HD display and a high refresh rate of 60 Hz, this smartwatch offers a clear and vibrant display that makes it easy to read and use. It supports two always-on modes, allowing you to quickly and easily check the time without waking the watch. But that's not all. This smartwatch comes packed with features that will take your health and fitness management to new heights. It has 100 sports modes, 247 health monitoring including heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, calorie monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, and blood pressure monitoring. It even has a female menstrual cycle monitoring feature, making it perfect for all users. In addition to its health management features, this smartwatch also offers daily smart reminders, such as sedentary reminders, SMS notifications, incoming call alerts, and even a reminder to drink water. It also has Bluetooth call and voice assistant features, as well as a wide variety of daily smart features including weather forecasts, alarm clock, timer, stopwatch, calendar, calculator, remote control photography, music control, and more. And let's talk about customization. This smartwatch offers 150 online watch faces and supports customizable watch faces, allowing you to personalize your device to fit your style and preferences. In terms of design and durability, this smartwatch is in a league of its own. It comes with military-grade toughness, wireless charging, and a battery life of up to 20 days. It's also water-resistant and features a sleek and stylish design that is perfect for any occasion. But the best part? It's available at an unbeatable price, and it's only a click away. So if you're ready to take your fitness and style to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the Smartwatch for Men-Women gift for Xiaomi full touchscreen sport fitness watches BT Call digital smartwatch. Just click the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing device. Trust me, you won't regret it.